I've already stripped this area right here. I just got a little more right up in there, as you can see. A little bit more paint there. Now this is for me attempting to match this color up with the intentions of, you know, getting rid of some blemishes that was in the paint. But then it dawned on me that this was a semi-transparent stain that was down originally, and what I was using to try to attempt to match it up, not knowing, because the homeowner didn't know, was trying to find a solid color to match. And turns out, you know, I just thought, man, come on, P, sit still, think about it, regroup. And it turns out that it was a semi-transparent concrete stain, not a solid stain. So now this is the attempt to remove the solid stain that I used to to test with, to try to match up. And now I'm removing this, and now I'm going to put the semi-transparent stain back in place of that, followed up with a sealer. Phone ringing. Man, this stripper is awesome, man. Strip away from Classic Coatings, great product. This was only down for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and it's already broken that paint down. All right, now that I've removed all the paint, I'm gonna rinse this down real good, and then I'm going to allow it to dry, then come back and stain it. All the test paint is gone. This is just bare concrete, and it should be the color of the original stain color for when it was stamped, poured and stamped. I don't know, somehow the sealer malfunctioned or had a bad reaction to the weather or something. I don't know, but all those little dull gray dark gray looking spots is where the sealer had failed. It actually looked like this right here. See that? It looked like that. And basically the seal is failed and it's back down to the original color. So we're just gonna basically recolor all these empty spaces here and seal it. But now we gotta let this dry, and we'll come back and tackle it.